This website right here is paying you $10 in just 10 to 15 minutes of work. Same with this website right here, $10 via PayPal for every 20 minutes. Same with this website here, become a test and earn $10 per test. And this site here will give you another $10 for each test you take, and I've got another 5 websites that is going to pay you between $10 and $100 per test. I'm going to take you through each of these 10 websites, and why I'm bringing up these 10 websites is because if you use all of these at the same time, you can 10 times your earnings in a month, because each of these websites are going to give you 3 to 8 tests per month. And if we take 8 tests per month on each website, so we multiply that 8 by 10 multiplied by, let's say, an average of $20 per test, that is $1,600 you can make per month just doing these tasks. It's testing websites, going over various different applications. It's super easy to do, and it only takes 10 to 20 minutes of work. So if you're ready for this value pack video, this is a great way to earn some extra income online. It's super easy, anybody can do this. And also at the end of this video, I'm going to give you access to another 5 websites where you can do this as well and take your earnings to even over $2,000 a month. And I've personally earned on these websites before. I'll put proof up on the screen, but let's get straight into it, and I'm going to take you through each and every website. So all of these websites are going to include testing websites, online, mobile applications. So for example, literally all they're going to do is they're going to download a little software on your computer that's going to record your screen, and they will say to you, a robot voice or a text will say, tell me what you think of this menu. Then you can say, this menu looks very simple, the text is white, I can see what it says, and it's going to ask you very easy questions like that. And this first website right here is called Analyzer.com. You can come to analyzer.com/user.asp. You can sign up with your name, email, password, and what they'll do is they'll send you an email every time there is a test available, and they will give you about, I think, 3 to 10 tests per month. So you could, if you work that out, you can multiply like I did in the beginning of this video and see what you can earn off just this first website. And you can see who qualifies for the test: anybody with an internet connection and a microphone. We accept a good variety of users from many different locations and many different profiles. How much do you get paid? You'll get paid $10 for each test, and you will get paid via PayPal, and each test takes about 15 minutes long. So this is really, really good pay. And if we work this out, if I go 15 times 4 is 60 minutes. So that means if I go 10 times 4, you are getting paid $40 an hour on this website. But that's not saying you're going to get a test every time. As I say, only 3 to 10 tests per month. But that's where I've got all these other websites for you where you can 10 times your earnings. So the second website I've got here is a very popular one. You can actually earn up to $60 per test, but on average it pays about $10 for every 20-minute test that you do. So all you're going to do is you can enter your email address, you can sign up. It's then going to download a program on your computer. You'll then get emailed or notified on your dashboard of this website when a test is available. What they'll do is they'll send you a link to that test via your email. You click on that, it will take you to the website that they want you to test, such as the menu, any sort of pictures, and a test will take about 20 minutes. They will tell you what to do in the instructions. It's actually super easy, and you will earn your $10 to $60 per test. And this website is called usertesting.com. I've actually earned off this one specifically, and what's nice about this is you can actually do this anytime you want. You're in control of your own time. You can work whenever you want to, you can log on whenever you want to, whether you're away on vacation, at the beach with your mobile phone, and you can test and earn doing this, which I really like. And then the next platform that I have for you guys is this website right here that is also going to pay you $10 per test. So it's super easy to do. You can come onto this website, you can sign up, and each test is about 10 to 20 minutes long. And you can actually see right here they've got a video on exactly how this works, and this pretty much works the same with all of these websites. So you'll see if I click on this video and I quickly pause it, you can actually see there's like a little recording panel right here, and this is the software that's going to install on your PC when you sign up with these websites, and it's basically going to record your screen or this website that it's going to take you to when it sends you the test via email or on your dashboard. And it will ask you basic questions like, what do you think of the menu bar, what do you think of this picture on this page, what do you think of this text, and you speak how you feel and if there's maybe any improvements needed. And each test, as I say, 10 to 20 minutes, and you're going to get paid $10 for doing that. And for this site, you need to come over to userfeel.com, and you can click on the become a tester button, and you can see right here, if you scroll down to the bottom, there's a big button that says become a tester. You will then be taken to the register page, first name, last name, email, confirmation of your address. You can get paid via PayPal or Amazon gift cards, some extra information about yourself, the devices. So this website actually pays you if you have an Android phone, an iPhone, a desktop, or any other device. They don't only do websites, they also do apps in that as well, which will maximize your earnings, which is really great. And this website as well will give you about between 3 to 15 tests per month, depending on the amount of devices you have and how loyal you are to this website in terms of testing. And this next website is actually one of my favorite ones. This one also pays you $10 for each test you take, but as far as I know, this one actually pays a little bit more. So you need to come over to trymyui.com. You can click on the get paid to test button up at the top right. You'll see all you do is you enter your first name, email, and password, and it can sign up instantly. You may even get a test instantly via your email or via your dashboard. You can see right here how many tests can I do. There's no limit to the number of tests you can do, but expect to get a few each week. This is definitely not full-time work, just a way to make an extra few bucks doing something fun in your spare time. But as I say, you can do this full-time if you include all of these websites that I've showed you so far. We've still got 5 more to go, and I really encourage you to pay attention because these websites actually pay really well. And this website pays weekly every single Friday via PayPal, so you're going to get paid every Friday doing tasks on this website. And you can go to the example page. There's a frequently asked question page as well, where you can get some more information. And then the next website I have for you guys, if I come down, actually pays you up to $50 per test, testing applications, identifying bugs, and just speaking your feelings on these various different websites. And this website, you need to come over to test.io, and you'll see there's a big button that says become a tester. And if I come up to the top, all you're doing is you can earn good money from home. So you can earn up to $50 for every issue that you find. If you can't find any bugs, no problem. You can also get paid for rating applications. So when we say rating applications, just leaving reviews, speaking your mind, and telling the platform or the recording software how you feel about this app or website. The best part about this is you can work from home from any of these. So easily work from your home or from your favorite place, and you can work the hours whenever you'd like to. So you're very flexible, you're in charge of your own time. You don't have a boss that's telling you what to do, you're in control of your own time. And you can test some of the latest apps, so you can actually get access to some of the latest apps that are coming on the market, which is also really cool. And you can register for free. As soon as you register, you'll receive an invitation to start your first test. You can receive your first payout, and you can also receive more invitations based on the amount of devices you have, your interests, your skills, and your loyalty to this website. So the more tests that you respond to, the more tests that this website or all of these websites are going to send you over time, meaning you can even earn more money if you are loyal to these websites. And then we've got this website right here. This is our 6th website, and this website actually probably pays the best. So you can see right here, you're going to earn 50 euros per hour, which is about $70 per hour, which is actually really good pay. So you need to come to a website called testingtime.com. You'll see on the page there will be a big button that says I want to become a tester. You can click on that and it will take you to this page, and you can see test products at home via Skype or on site with the customer. So basically they're going to maybe connect you up via their Skype page. You will then review websites on Skype. They'll record that, and basically they'll use this information to improve products or services that the business wants to sell to the public, and they're going to pay you 50 euros per hour doing that. And you may get between 3 and 12 tests per month, or it may be more than that as well, depending on how loyal you are and how many tests you answer to. Because these companies like to reward you, if you answer to every test, they're going to see, hey, this guy's loyal, he's answering all the tests we give him, we're going to give him more tests because he is reliable. And then the next website is probably one of the most well-known and well-paid testing websites. You can see right here, you're going to get paid 5, 10, 15, all the way up to $90 per test. It takes about 10 to 15 minutes to do. So for this one, you need to come to a website called userlytics.com. You just need to complete a short and easy form that will ask you for your name, email, probably your PayPal address. And all you're going to do is you're going to interact with a web or mobile application. So if you have a mobile device and a PC computer, you're going to probably get double the amount of tests on this platform. So you can see other type of digital assets. You're going to speak out your thoughts and emotions out aloud and answer a few questions that the recording software is going to ask you. Then you're going to get paid via PayPal. So once your test results have been approved, depending upon the user test project, you'll get paid between $5 and $90 on the test, depending on how long the test took. And all you do is you can come over to userlytics.com, sign up with your email, confirm that your age of 16 years and older, agree to the terms of use and privacy policy. You can then sign up, and you'll probably get tests via your email or on your dashboard when you sign up on this website. And then the next one that I've got for you guys is called utest.com, and you'll see right here, if I come over to this page, testers with the range of Range Rovers plus referral bonus of $25. So you can basically get test different websites, different applications, and you can actually earn money, extra money for every referral that you refer to this website, such as $25. And you'll be testing stuff like CRM software, maybe different smart appliance surveys, retirement account testing, security software studies, holiday shopping surveys. So there are various different things that you're going to test throughout this website, and all you're going to do is you're going to speak your minds. You can sign up. If you come up to the top of the page, there is a sign up for free button. If you click on that, it's going to ask you for a little information such as your first name, email address, your last name, date of birth, and your gender. Once that's done, you can sign up and you will get tests via your email, where you can then click on those links and run the tests, and you will get paid between $10 and $20 for each test that takes about 10 to 15 minutes of work to do. And then the second website that I've got for you guys also pays really well, between $10 and $25 for 10 to 15 minutes of work. You can see companies like Google, Amazon, Microsoft, Salesforce, Allstate is using this platform called Validately.com. You can see right here, Validately.com. You can come to this website, click on the sign up as a tester button. Super easy to do. You'll be asked to provide basic demographic information. You will then receive emails offering money for feedback on different websites and apps. You will then get paid $10 to $25 for every successful test you complete. And basically all you need is a computer with a microphone. You must use Google Chrome and a good internet connection. How often are tests available? Tests are available daily, but not every tester matches the criteria for every test, so you may not be notified every single day. But since this website does have tests every day, this one probably is going to have the most tests available. So this is one I definitely suggest that you sign up onto, including all of the others that you've now signed up on, just to get more and more tests and get paid more and more for doing this. And you'll probably find the first couple of weeks of doing this may feel weird, but as you get into it, you get more and more confident and better at it. And you'll see right here, payments vary on based on each test. However, some studies pay in the $100 range for a live remote research session, which is really good. So that's like $100 for 30 minutes of work. But I'm not saying that you're going to get that every time as well. You might only get that between, let's say, 2 to 3 times a month. And then for this final website, you'll see right here, you're going to get paid between €5 or pounds per test. Each test will take about 5 to 10 minutes. So this one pays a little bit less, but the tests are also shorter, and it also pays in dollars, euros, and pounds. So €5 or pounds is probably about $10, which is not bad at all. It's really good pay, and you're going to get about 3 to 5 or 10 tests per month, which is not a lot, but as I say, that is why I've included all 10 of these websites. So if you can combine all of them, you'll probably be getting tests every single day, and you can maybe do this full time if you wanted to. But what I do suggest is click on this video that I've got right up here on the screen, because in this video I will teach you how to build a $5,000 drop servicing business live. It is a 40-minute free course. It is packed with value and giveaways. I'm giving you a $200 giveaway in this video, so I suggest you go and watch this video and let me know what you think. But if you're new to the channel, subscribe down below with the bell on so I can send you a message every time I upload an awesome and valuable video just like this one. But if you're ready for tomorrow's video, make sure you've got that bell on, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video.